Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk you through everything you can expect to find in your new Technics A800 headphones box when you're opening it for the first time. We're going to do a quick unboxing and talk you through everything you can find in your box, starting with our hard shell travel case. This has actually got your headphones and your cables in it. It's perfect for traveling or throwing in a bag. Really great. But before we get to that, there's just a few things behind this panel that you might want to have a look at, starting with your warranty card, which is basically just your warranty terms and conditions for your pan-European warranty. So do take a look at that. Next up is the quick start guide. This is just a one-sheet quick start help document. It's really great for if you're in a hurry and want to just get going with your headphones. It's perfect for that. It's also got details of how you can download the Technics Audio Connect app for Android or Apple. More on that later. And then lastly, you've got your full user guide manual here. This has got absolutely everything you need to know about your headphones. So do hang on to that. Let's get into the case now and have a look at the headphones. But before we do, once you've opened this, I'm just going to talk you through the cables that come with your Technics A800, and they're usually tucked in here. There's two cables that come with these headphones. The first one is actually the charge cable, and this is a USB-A to USB-C cable, and that's going to charge the headphones for you. And the next one is a wired audio jack. So obviously the headphones are wireless, but if you did want to listen to anything using a wired connection, you can do so. And lastly, in this little compartment, we've actually got an airplane adapter. So if you ever wanted to use the headphones on in-flight entertainment systems, obviously they're not Bluetooth compatible, so you can use this adapter to connect these headphones up and listen while you're on a flight. Now let's get the headphones out of the case. You can unfold them like that and then position them like that. A lot of people ask how you know which one's left and which one's right, and actually on the A800s it's stitched onto the inside of the earphone, so you can see there that this one is the left and this one's the right. Taking a look at the right side, this is actually where all the controls are on the A800. I'll talk you through what we've got here. At the bottom we've actually got our port for charging, so that's the USB-C port where you can put in the charge cable. Above that you've got the LED indicator, so that's going to flash and turn on at various points, so whether the headphones are charging or pairing or just powering on for the first time. Then we've got the minus and plus buttons for volume, and then we've got the multifunction button in the middle there, which can do a range of functions. And actually, really helpfully, on the quick start guide that comes in with the box, on the back there's actually some really useful information about some of the basic controls on the A800. So that's everything you can expect to find in the box. In the next video, we'll talk you through how you can pair your headphones with a Bluetooth device and connect it to the Technics Audio Connect app, which will completely change the way you listen to them. If you're interested in purchasing these headphones, do go to our online store and you can find out more information and find the right Technics headphones for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.